Hello everybody, this is Natalie from Texas, and today is our Christmas time, 25th December. You can see how warm it is. It's 71 Fahrenheit, it's like 22 Celsius. 22 Celsius. Very warm, 25th December. See how nice and warm. Yep. So if somebody wants to visit Texas, the best months, November and December. Alright, so today we are going to cook Christmas meal. So we already prepared fish and steak. I will show you. So we prepared already, this is our steak. We already put spices, have been for the whole night with spices, and this is fish, salmon. We already put spices in and everything. So I can tell you this piece and this amount of fish, the same price, $20 this piece and $20 the whole thing. I'm making video. And this is lobsters. We put them in beer. Put them in beer. Okay. So we're going to cook all this meat, fish, and lobsters with mashed potatoes and vegetables in grill. So this is our vegetables: peppers, zucchini, onions, and broccoli and mushrooms. We'll put them over here, cut them, and put oil, some spices, and then we'll grill them. Alright, let's cut them. Okay, so we cut peppers. They should be pieces like this. And now we're going to put them right here. Alright, so now we're going to cut our zucchini. So we cut our zucchini in half. This, and we're going to put them ready. Okay. This is chili pepper, very spicy, from my garden. So let's do 3 of them. Should be. Now we're going to add some mushrooms. Alright. Now we have to add some oil. Some spices. Oregano. rosemary. Italian seasoning, my favorite one. All right, some salt and pepper. There you go. And now you just close it like this and like this. This is all ready to go to the grill. Yummy! Oh, no. What was wrong?
Rich.
It should be perfect. Okay, very much. Three lobsters. So we're making fire. Making fire. This is December, 25th December. See how grass so green. Green grass. Green grass. 25 degrees Celsius. 75 Fahrenheit. Very nice. First of all, we are cooking vegetables. This is vegetables, and then we'll cook fish and meat. Alright. There you go. And while it's cooking, we can enjoy sun with a bottle of Coke. So delicious. The Coke is made in Mexico. It's different than American Coke. It's with real sugar, not chemical sugar. It's very tasty. It is gorgeous. Yeah. process is going and we enjoying the sun. Oh, fishy fish! It's turn. Fishy fish. Oh, so yummy. Lots of fish with the lots of leftovers, huh? Very good. How much time do we need?
Enough.
Enough? Okay. Alright, fishy fish. Stay cooked. Take our fishy fish. Good. Awesome.
That was
Fantastic. Fantastic. Steak turn. Oh, lobster is still. Fire. Steak is usually cooked in fire, huh? Lobsters are done. So while we're cooking the stuff that we cook, we keep in the oven, small oven, keep it warm, see? There you go. Now we need to wait for steak. And this is our rice and mashed potatoes. Alright, our food is done. This is vegetables. This is mashed potatoes. This is our steak. And this is fish and lobsters. There you go. Now we're going to eat all this delicious food. Oh no.
I'm not sorry. You're not fat either. You're not round. Oh, you're that in that song? Are you round, young virgin? Some kid drew a picture and it was a picture of Jesus, Mary, and Joseph and this big ball with light coming out of it. And the teacher goes, "That's a beautiful picture, but what is that? Is that the sun?" "No, that's round."
Merry Christmas! Christ is born.
So the way you pull off the tail.
Pull off the tail.
You have a little bit of meat in there, but
Oh, forget about it. You're not worth it. You.
So delicious.
good there.
Alright guys, our Christmas dinner is over. And it was very delicious. This steak, fish, and Lobster tail is very good, so I advise you to cook if you have a chance. And this is how our table looks like, empty. Alright, our Christmas meal was really good. Hopefully you like my video. Bye bye, see you next time.